Welcome everyone, Deronda here with Foods 101. Today I'm going to show you how to make this famous fudge by Carnation. Yep, Carnation evaporated milk. I've received a lot of requests on how to make this fudge, and the great thing about it is this time of the year it's on the back of the Carnation can. I always go ahead and add the recipes below in the description box of my food videos, so be sure to check that out. For this recipe you're going to need 1.5 cups of granulated sugar, 2 cups of miniature marshmallows, 2/3 cup of your Carnation evaporated milk, 1/2 cup of pecans. If you would like to substitute this for walnuts or just leave the nuts out altogether in this fudge, you may. 9 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate chips, or about 1.5 cups, 2 tablespoons of butter softened, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now let me show you how easy this is to make. First, you're going to line an 8-ounce square baking pan with aluminum foil. Make sure you get it from corner to corner and you smash it in here on the sides. I'm going to sit this off to the side while I show you how to make the fudge. In a heavy-duty saucepan over medium-high heat, we're going to add the butter along with the evaporated milk, the sugar, and salt. Stir this well until it comes to a boil, and it won't take long. Now that it's boiling, we're going to time this for 5 minutes. So use your timer. Continue to stir. There's my 5-minute timer going off. Now we immediately remove this off the heat. Add those marshmallows with those semi-sweet chocolate chips, the nuts, if you're using them, and the vanilla. Vigorously, we're going to stir this for the next minute. When it's looking like this, it's ready for that pan, and look how luscious and creamy that is. I'm going to get it off of my wooden spoon here. Immediately add it right here into the foil lined pan. Spread it from corner to corner. This is going to take about 2 hours to set up in the refrigerator, or you can cover it and let it set up at room temperature overnight. I've had my fudge covered sitting on the countertop overnight. I'm taking it out of its baking dish. You'll see how lovely and nice that foil will peel off. The secret to cutting this fudge: in a mason jar filled with really super hot water, I've got my chef's knife. We're gonna dry it off. This is the secret to making really lovely, smooth, clean cuts. I'm starting in the center. Oh, and it's going down very lovely. And I'm going to cut all the way through. And looky here at how beautiful that is. Clean this in between cuts. My fudge is sliced 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 6 is 36. We've got 36 servings of fudge here. I'm going to go ahead and give some as a gift, and I've got a little tin can that I've lined with raffia paper, and I've got these adorable little paper cups that I'm going to rest each piece into. There's one, and we're just going to put it in here like this. And 2. This is going to be so festive, and anyone would love to get this as a gift. Homemade fudge. You can't go better than that. Look how festive that is. A perfect gift to give. I've got to try this. Oh yeah, fantastic. Gonna break into it. Gonna give it a try. Wow. A delicious, quick, fast fudge you can make for the holidays or any day of the year. Fantastic. Enjoy your famous Carnation fudge. I'm Deronda with Foods 101. Leave me a comment, give me thumbs up, hit that notification bell to be the first to get my new YouTube food videos. Merry Christmas, happy holidays. Thanks a million for watching, you all, and I'll catch you lovely people later.